Alright, so today we have a right triangle that is classified as a 30, 60, 90 triangle right here. And then we have another one right down here. And what we're trying to do today is find this side over here, but then also find this side. It's a shared side in between both triangles. And when we find that side, we can use that to find this side over here and this side over here. And then we can find all 5 sides of the triangle. So first thing that we know is this short side over here is always half of this long side over here. So this is 16. Same thing over here on this side of the triangle. But we can't do that right now because we don't know the number over there. So what we have to do right now is figure out this bottom side, which is a shared side in between the two triangles. So we do know, oh, that looks like 18, not bad. So we know that this side down here from the short side is always this number, root 3. So this is 8 root 3. So there, we figure out the one triangle. But we have a shared side, so we know one side of the second triangle. So what we have to do is do 8 root 3 equals x root 3. 8 root 3 over root 3 equals x. And then here's where we do the real problem. 8 root 3 over root 3 times root 3 over root 3 equals, down here is 3 because these both cancel out the root, and then up here these both cancel out, which makes it 8 over 3. And the 8 over 3 ends up going right here. But as I said before, the short side is always half of the long side. So what we got over here is 16 over 3. And there we have it. We found all 5 sides